Antarctica, a continent 99% covered in thick, solid ice, has long held scientists in suspense, concealing secrets yet to be unveiled. Since it was first explored in the 1800s, thousands of questions have popped up and left explorers on their toes, seeking answers. The continent's freezing temperature leaves no room to accommodate life, making it inhabitable for humans. However, questions about an extraterrestrial presence in this landmass of ice have piqued the interest of explorers who have dug deep to uncover what lurks beneath the ice. Do aliens inhabit this ice-cold continent? Is Antarctica under an invasion? Jonathan Young, PhD, founder and curator of Jonathan Campbell Archives, had said, "Antarctica is the last frontier. It holds our imagination. Old maps that said, 'Here be monsters.' The last remaining territory on the planet that could have such a designation is Antarctica. Because of the depth of the ice in this frozen continent, the surface of the continent is almost impossible to see with your bare eyes. And now you are going to find out some of the most shocking claims related to Antarctica." Admiral Byrd's encounter. Admiral Richard E. Byrd, a renowned American naval officer and explorer, has been tagged as one who made irresistible claims of encountering a world beneath the ice of Antarctica that left him in awestruck wonder. Admiral Byrd's most notable expedition to Antarctica took place between 1928 and 1930, known as the first Byrd Antarctic Expedition. During this exploration, he led a team that established the first permanent research base, known as Little America, on the Ross Ice Shelf. Byrd's subsequent expeditions in 1933, 1935, and 1939-1941 further broadened scientific knowledge about his region. In the years following his expeditions, rumors and speculations about Admiral Byrd's encounters with UFOs emerged. These claims primarily stemmed from his diary, where he documented his wild experiences, which he described as an encounter with beings from another world during his 1947 Operation High Jump expedition. According to his diary, Byrd encountered a vast and unexplored area beyond the South Pole. He described flying saucers emerging from beneath the ice and wrestling with his aircraft, during which he claimed to have been guided and saved by advanced beings from another world. Byrd allegedly wrote about these encounters and the warnings given by the extraterrestrial beings, urging humanity to seek peace and unite against the perils of nuclear weapons. However, there is a lack of substantial evidence to support the authenticity of this alleged diary. No original copies or credible sources have been found to verify its existence. Some people go as far as claiming that the diary is a fabrication, likely created to fuel conspiracy theories and speculation about extraterrestrial presence in Antarctica. But the hollow Earth theory, which says that an ancient civilization is housed in the center of the Earth, seems like the last straw that just might break the camel's back. Germany's secret Antarctica base. Another secret about the land of ice that is worth knowing is the Nazi Germany's secret Antarctica base. During World War II, there were rumors and speculation about Nazi Germany establishing a secret base in Antarctica for their military. While it is true that Germany had an interest in Antarctica and conducted expeditions to the region, the idea of a secret Nazi base there remains largely unsubstantiated and is often considered a conspiracy theory. One of the most famous expeditions associated with the Germans' interest in Antarctica was the German Antarctic Expedition of 1938-1939, led by Captain Alfred Richter. It bore the aim of establishing a German claim on Antarctic territory and conducting scientific research. The Germans named the area they explored New Schwabenland, New Swabia. Conspiracy theories suggest that the Germans may have used New Schwabenland as a base for various activities, including advanced technological research, exploration, and even the development of exotic weapons. Some theories even propose that remnants of the Nazi regime, including high-ranking officials, may have sought refuge there after the war. Relatively recently, materials and documents of the German submarine captain Heinz Schaefer were found, which contained notes describing a military Antarctic base. Heinz Schaefer served as captain of the submarine U-977 belonging to Hitler's convoy. According to the discovered materials, the man personally resided in Antarctica. The submarine on which the submariner served was the last of those defeated during the Second World War. At the time, she was carrying out a secret mission whose objectives are still unknown. In his materials, the submarine's captain spoke of secret meetings off the coast of Antarctica. Today, there is a version that the submarine ensured the delivery to Antarctica of particularly important documents and most of the treasury of the Third Reich. The Lake Vostok monster octopus. Lake Vostok, buried beneath Antarctica's ice for over 15 million years, has forced scientists back to their science labs to gain proper knowledge about its mystery. Discovered in the 20th century, this subglacial lake is one of the largest in the world, stretching over 155 miles in length and nearly 31 miles wide. Its extreme isolation and unique conditions have sparked curiosity about what life forms might inhabit its dark, icy waters. Among the presumptions is the existence of the monster octopus. The thought of a creature lurking in the depths of lake gained a bigger voice after Russian scientists drilled through the ice and reached the lake's surface in 2012. Initial findings revealed a diversity of microbial life, which challenged previous assumptions about the limits of life in extreme environments like Antarctica. Since then, researchers have speculated about the potential existence of larger, more complex organisms, including the mythical Lake Vostok monster octopus. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting this theory comes from a controversial study published in the Journal of Marine Science in 2015. Researchers analyzing sediment samples collected from the floor of the lake reported the discovery of DNA sequences closely resembling those of octopus genes. While some skeptics raised their eyebrows about contamination and interpretation errors, some professionals argued that the findings provided compelling evidence for the existence of a previously unknown species. Further fueling speculation are reports from Russian scientists involved in the drilling expedition who claimed to have observed unusual sonar readings suggestive of large moving objects beneath the lake's surface. Although these observations have not been confirmed. While the existence of the Lake Vostok monster octopus remains speculative, its hypothetical presence raises interesting questions about the limits of life on Earth and the potential for undiscovered species to thrive in the most extreme environments. If confirmed, this elusive creature could represent a remarkable adaptation to the harsh conditions of Lake Vostok and shed new light on the diversity of life in subglacial ecosystems. Alien rocks exposed in Antarctica. Antarctica, with its extreme climate and isolation, provides an ideal environment for the preservation of meteorites. These extraterrestrial visitors often crash land onto the icy surface, where they remain remarkably well preserved due to the lack of terrestrial weathering processes. Over the decades, numerous expeditions have explored this icy wilderness in search of these cosmic relics, discovering the wealth of invaluable data. One of the most notable discoveries came in 1969 when a team of Japanese scientists stumbled upon the Yamato meteorite. Nestled within the snowfields of the Yamato Mountains, this visitor from space offered scientists a rare glimpse into the early formation of our solar system. Comprised primarily of carbonaceous chondrite, the meteorite is believed to be over 4.5 billion years old, making it one of the oldest known objects in our solar system. However, the Yamato meteorite is just one of many extraordinary specimens found in Antarctica. In 1984, the Allen Hills region yielded another significant find, ALH 8-4001. This Martian meteorite gained worldwide attention in 1996 when researchers announced the discovery of possible fossilized microbial life within its structure. While the debate over its origins continues to this day, ALH 84001 remains a symbol of the endless journey to fully understand the mysteries of our neighboring planet. In addition to Martian meteorites, Antarctica has also yielded a diversity of cosmic specimens, including lunar meteorites, asteroid fragments, and even samples from comets. These rocks offer invaluable insights into the geological processes that shaped our solar system and the broader universe beyond. However, the significance of Antarctic meteorites extends far beyond scientific curiosity. These extraterrestrial rocks serve as time capsules, preserving invaluable information about the early history of our solar system. Moreover, Antarctic meteorites have practical implications for our understanding of planetary defense. By studying the frequency and composition of meteorite impacts, scientists can better assess the risk posed by potential asteroid and comet collisions with Earth, helping to inform strategies for planetary defense and mitigation. Although Antarctica is not entirely void of life, as a myriad of unique wildlife inhabits there despite its harsh temperature and fierce winds, it's almost impossible for humans to live in it. The Great White Continent is probably the most unexplained corner of our planet, and despite how much we try, we might never fully understand the world beneath that thick ice. Subscribe to the channel, and if you're thirsty for more knowledge, just play the video on the left of your screen.